everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve network on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, we can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app. Then you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can search about Telegram. If you will find here update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.